Hey guys, it is April 7th, 2019. We are gonna go down into the greenhouse and check out the progress. Last week we planted seeds for the garden, and we're gonna go check on them and see how that's going. Okay, there's the carrots. Looks like I need to add a little more water there. And then over here, looks like we've got some little sprouts popping up. Looks like the lettuce is finally popping up there. Got some spinach. And looks like the cantaloupe and cucumber are just barely starting to pop up. So we'll keep an eye on these. Then if we look around the rest of the greenhouse, you can see the plants are really starting to green up now. If we go look at the citrus trees, you can see a lot of new growth on these. Let's see right here. This whole section's new. See all the new growth here on the grapefruit tree. So we're doing good. Spring comes early in the greenhouse, so it's always fun to see all the extra growth. Here's our little lemon tree. Also last year I did an experiment. I don't know if you saw my video. I tried to grow tangelo trees and LilyKoi trees. And they're tropical trees, so they're a little more fragile than even like the citrus trees you see behind me. A couple years ago, I tried to grow a banana tree. It did great all summer long, and then when winter came, it died. So I had 5 LilyKoi trees growing and doing great, and I wanted to see if some of them could live in the greenhouse through the winter, but I took 2 into the house to make sure that at least 2 of them would survive. So I'm going to show you what happened to the 3 I left in the greenhouse and the 2 I left inside. Okay, so here are the LilyKois I left in the greenhouse. You can see all 3 of them died. That's actually really sad for me. I wish I'd brought 3 of them inside the house. For the 2 LilyKoi trees that I took inside the house, you can see they did awesome. The leaves are nice and green, growing tall. We've actually trimmed them down multiple times, you can see there, to keep them growing thicker. But I'm afraid each winter I'm gonna have to bring these guys inside the house to keep them alive. For those of you that don't know what a LilyKoi is, it's a tropical passion fruit. Grows in places like Hawaii, which is the first place I had one. And it's a little yellow fruit about that big. And you crack it open and it looks like kind of like disgusting little frog eggs inside, but it tastes really sweet. And I just like it a lot. So I thought, I have an underground greenhouse. Let's put some LilyKois in here. The problem is, I'm pretty sure the LilyKois won't live through the winter. Okay, that's it for my update. If you have any fun ideas or fun experiments for me to try, just send me a message. I'm always welcome to try new fun things. If you found this video fun and helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And we'll just talk to you later. Thanks.